Similarly, postal charges have been raised considerably, each of them resulting in a revenue increase of rupees 400 crores to rupees 500 crores of rupees. What can be the effect of all these increases? Then there are administered prices which also continue to be administered upwards always and not downwards. What are the prices administered for? In order to see that the public sector enterprises produce revenues and increase budgetary revenues, it is quite clear that every step that is being taken like must result in increase in prices. Further, Mr. Finance Minister says that tax revenues continue to display buoyancy. This is the one statement in regard to which I can have no difference of opinion. It is showing buoyancy. But there again, I would like to warn the finance minister that the buoyancy is not going to continue at the same time and in the same manner that it has been in the past. At least if it does so, I shall be very happy. But the chances of its being happening are small. He says the foreign exchange reserves are at comfortable level. I am very glad he thinks so. He may even say that they are comfortable. If they are at comfortable level, then there is certainly going to be greater drain upon it because steps being taken to stimulate exports further and so on and so forth. But I think the balance of payments position is precarious and as he himself admits is one of the issues which causes him concern and quite rightly so. I would like to draw his attention to the fact that the imports have been liberalized and over liberalized as a stage when rupee is for all practical purposes devalued. Imports therefore must cost very much more and increase the chain on limited foreign exchange reserves. Liberalization of imports is necessary but only in highly selective areas. That was not done. I think in their initial enthusiasm they have overdone it. The second point of concern was about the rise of government expenditure on that court. What has he done? Nothing is done. On the other hand, governmental expenditure has gone up and will go up now further because of the pay commission's recommendations, which government has already implemented. There are other things which are beyond his control, like the natural calamities, which must be attended to, and substantial sums of money will have to be provided. I hope that the finance minister realizes that for the next year he has provided certain amount of his anticipatory budget about rupees 500 crores. Stop.